Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-48, the Boiler Ashpan for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Alright, so let's go File, New, MMGS. Alright, so we're going to go to Front Plane, Sketch. We're going to go Line Tool. We're going to go out, put a small curve in. Thank you. Go up. And that'll do for now. So let's go Smart Dimension. It's going to go from that point to the center point. Really? Why is it? It never used to do that. Why is it doing that all of a sudden? If I go out of there, if I click on that, I can get it. That's so weird. Actually, you know what? If I do, let me put center line now. I'm going to need that later, so that's going to make it easier too. Where this to this. Smart. Come on, smart. Thank you. This line and this line. Now, if you click on there, you go up. It actually, if you go across, it presumes you're going to do a circumference, which works out good because that's what I want. 208. Now the height. Okay, the height I can't find again. So it's going to be, I'm going to put 46 because it's 26 halfway through the hole, and that's a little bit higher than center. So I'm just going to put 46. Now we're going to go offset. Oh, before we do. Let me do, before I do, let me just do that one as 3, not 5. Try 5. There we go. Doesn't really give dimension there, but we are going to go to the smart dimension offset. Going to grab U. There we go. And that's going to be, what's it got there? 2 mil. Yes, it is. Excellent. And that's going to go perfectly. Now we're going to go smart dimension. Line. Sorry. Line those two up. Line those two up. Now we are going to go to feature, sweep boss base. So we're going to pick that, which picks the whole line, perfect. Then the rotation part, it's going to go, oh, hold on. Oh, no, that's, sorry, not sweep boss base. Revolution, sorry, I meant revolution boss base. Oh, hold on. I think I might be still in something. I'll select the plane. Okay, we want. There we go. Click on that one. There we go. That's what we want. Sorry, revolution, not loft. That's the wrong one. That's going along stuff. So yep. Okay, there we go. We've got that done. Beautiful. Now, what we want is. Whew, it's going to be interesting. So we want to go normal to, actually, what's the plane on this one? Top plane. Okay, so we want to do a plane that is going to be 26 up. So plane 26. Perfect, that's what we want. Okay, so that's the plane we want. So let's do normal 2 on that plane and sketch. There we go. Now we want 10 lines at 12 degrees. And they're going to be even. Okay, so center one, sorry, maybe center one's going to be here. There's going to be 6 each side. So if we go to center, there we go. Now if we go to not mirror, rotate, there we go. Anti-rotate, which is that one. Center rotation, which is going to be that one, hopefully. Oh, can we go on there? Thank you. There we go. And it's going to be 12 degrees. But there's going to be how much? No, I think it's more weapon. Or there for some reason. Ah, it moves. Okay. Nope, no. That's if I want to rotate it. Okay. I don't know what that went out for. There we go. Let me go back. Cancel out that one. It's not what I want. Sorry. Linear pattern. Circular. That's what we want. Sorry. So we want to do that one there. We want rotation of 60 because it's going to be 120, but I'm doing half that there. 60, perfect. And it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Always count the middle. 1, 2, 6. So it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Yes. Yep. Okay, we want to do that again. So I have that one highlighted. We want circular rotation. Point of interest, fine. Where are we? But we want swap over. How do we swap over? Not 360, we want 60 again. Nope, we want to swap the other way. Ah, there we go. Perfect. So, should have 10. 10? I had 10 gaps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Perfect. Yep, that's what we want. That's what we want. Perfect. Okay, that's what we want. Good. Okay, so now that's done. Let's get our sketch. Because we've got to do each one of these individually, unfortunately. Let me just hide you. Actually, hold on, I wonder. No, because you've got to put the circle this way. Can't put, yeah. I was going to say, if we put a circle and rotate it around like that, but the circle will be facing the wrong way. So, that's the way I can put a hole in this all round. That'd be cool to know. Let's see, it's going to be 10 there. So, let me go to feature, plane. And then on that line there we go. Beautiful. So on this plane here, we'll show go sketch, circle. That's going to be feature. Sorry. Smart dimension. Yeah, I said that was 10, didn't I? Yes. 10. Feature. Extrude cut up to next, just to make sure there's nothing, and there's that. So now we hide this one, then we do that again. So we select the point, go to plane, then we select the line, which then makes it perpendicular to that line, so then we can put a circle in. So do that one. Then we go to, on that plane, sketch, circle, make sure it's in that center point, 10 mil, feature, extrude cut, do not do through all, otherwise it's going to go through the whole lot. We don't want that. We just want up to next. So we just threw that one there and done. And hide. So let me do this quickly. Alright, we're on the last one now. So again, press the point, plane, click on that line there, the line that you want to make it perpendicular, whatever angle you want. Okay, sketch, circle, circle, sketch, dimensions, sorry, 10, feature, extrude cut, up to next, and done. And hide that. Okay, so we don't need these here, so I can hide them. So there's that side done. Ooh. A little bit of time consuming, but it's half the fun. Okay, so now we actually want the plane we want. Yes, we do want that one back. So let me make that one visible. Let me go back to there and sketch, because now we want to go construction line. Go straight up, and then on the angle, then we're going to go to smart dimension, and that's going to be 29 degrees. There we go. Done. Now, it's a sketch. Thank you. Well, click on the end of that one. I'm going to do the plane again. Now again, click on the line, that line there, it's perpendicular now. Okay, so now we want to go to, now when you click on it, see I click on that, got that by mistake, so make sure you click on the right plane you want. Sketch, where are we? Circle. I think I was off there. I don't think I clicked on the, there we go. Yeah, I didn't think that. Oh, seriously? Thank you. There we go. That's got it. And that's going to be 4 mil. 4 mil. Seriously? Thank you. 4 mil. That's going to be feature, extrude cut, up to next, and done. Okay, let me hide these, hide that, there we go, and hide that one, there we go. That looks good. Okay, it's going to need to put 2 holes here, so let me go to, I wish I could sprinkle them down. That one there, let me go to normal. Nope, wrong side. There we go. Let me go to sketch. It's going to be 5 mil holes. Let's do 2 holes for the moment. Or 2 circles, sorry. It's going to be 5 mil. And 5 mil, I can make it equal, that's fine. Goes dimension, just make these horizontal. Now it's going to be 25 from those two to 25. Now we got from that one to that one. Sorry. Now smart dimension. That one to that one will be 25 by 2, which is 12.25. Perfect. And that will be 8 mil down. From there to there. Actually, I'm not too sure it's going to be 8. Let me just put 8 in for now. Lock it in. Yeah, I'll leave 8 mil for now. It doesn't really show the dimensions. 8 mil, the piece that goes on that's 8 mil from the top. That's where I got the 8 mil from. So that's good. We'll just leave that there for the moment. That's got to pop out this side. Yep, so we'll go feature, extrude, up to next. Yep, that's going the right way. Perfect. And done. Beautiful. Now we want to go same on where are we? That one. Let me go to H. Perfect. That's the size I want. That's the side I want. I mean, so we want to go circle. Thank you. Hey, we're alright. Yep, that's cool. It's going to be 9 mil. Smart dimension. 9 mil. And let me just go over that for a minute. I need to go back to normal 2. There we go. Really wish we could go normal 2 while in the sketch. Open that back up. There we go. Okay, so this point and this center point will be vertical. That's good. And let's see now. Smart dimension. Center that to there will be 3. There we go. Beautiful. Yep, that's good. Now that's going to go through. I can move that now so I can see. That's going to go through up to next. Nope, I want to go the other way. It's got to go this way. There we go. And done. That's it. Yep, that's that. That looks like all the holes we need. Okay, tell me to save because we're very fussy. So that's part 3-48, the Boiler Ashpan done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Thanks for coming along. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. Appreciate all the support. Welcome all new subscribers. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.